Hello guys, in this video, while we are sending message to topic, let's add message property, that is system property and user property. And then let's receive that message in receiver and see if provided properties are visible. Just a quick recap. Filters work based on system and user properties only. Filters do not check the message contents or body for filtering. We are in Azure portal and I have opened this topic, that is first topic, and if I scroll down there is only one subscription, that is S1 to it. Now let's go and send a message to this topic with message property. So let's click on Service Bus Explorer, then send messages, I'll say test message, and now guys you can see these broker properties. So let's expand this, let's go down. Now this correlation ID, message ID, label, these are system properties. So let's specify message ID as 123. Let's go down, let's expand custom properties. So these are user properties. Okay, so add a custom property. I'll specify sample user property value, I will say ABCD, and let's send. So message has been sent successfully, and now let's check it in subscription S1. So let's close, let's go to overview, let's go down, S1, Service Bus Explorer. See, subscription 1 means there is one message, so pick from start. Let's open this. So again we have this message, and if we check properties, so we have this message ID, system property, and then this custom property.